Hello everyone. So in this video you will learn the rules of rules of for debit and credit specific to owner's equity, which is also known as capital, and the second point which I will cover, that is the drawings. Okay, so what is the debit credit rule for the owner's equity and the drawing? In case of the equity, first we will consider the owner's equity, then we will discuss the drawing. For the capital, there is a simple fundament. Whenever there is decrease in capital, we will debit the account. Whenever there is increase in the capital, we will credit the account. Done. And for the debit, the rule will be just opposite to the capital. Whenever there is increase in the drawing, we will debit the account, and whenever there is decrease in the drawing, we will credit the account. Okay, so this is just opposite to your drawing. So now I am going to start with the first capital. I will explain the example of capital, what will be the transaction and how we will pass the journal entry. Then I will take the drawing. Okay, second one. So first is the capital. Let's suppose in the question it is given that Ganesh started business. As the Ganesh started business with rupees 50,000, it means he will bring 50,000 rupees in the form of cash in the company, right? As a result, it will increase the cash balance. Now cash is the asset, it is the current asset. Whenever there is increase in the asset, then what is the rule? We will debit the account, right? Second, Ganesh started the business, so he will bring the capital. And for the capital, if there is increase in the capital, what we will do? We will credit the account. It means for this particular transaction, we will debit the cash account and credit the capital account. So the entry will be cash account debited to capital account with the amount of rupees 50,000. Okay, so debit 50 and credit 50. That is why it is accounting is known as the dual aspect is followed here. Every time the at least two accounts will be affected, right? So this is about the capital. Now I will take one example of the drawing. Okay, now suppose in the question it is written that Ganesh withdraw the money 20,000 for personal use. As he is withdrawing the money for the personal use means this is drawings. As this is drawings, so in this transaction two accounts will be affected. One is drawing and the another one is the cash. In case of drawing, whenever there is increase in drawing, we will debit the account, and cash, as cash is the asset, so for the asset, rule is whenever there is decrease in the asset, we will credit the account. Now when Ganesh, the owner, he will use the company's fund for the personal use, this is the drawing, so the entry will be drawing account debited to cash account. Amount is 20,000. We will write here 20,000. Okay, and the narration will be being cash used for personal use. Okay, so I hope the things are clear to all of you. Already one video is created on the debit and credit rule of asset and the liability. I will share the link in the description box. Go and check that video also. Thank you everyone.